Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change Kia Forte headlight step by step. Start by parking safely and switching off the car, then open the hood and locate the headlight assembly behind the front bumper. Remove any plastic covers and unplug the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. Release retaining clips or unscrew mounting bolts. Pull the old bulb straight out, install the new bulb carefully, reseat everything, and reconnect the battery. Begin by locating the access point for the headlight bulb and removing any obstructing panels or covers. With the connector unplugged, examine the retaining method and carefully release clips or unscrew bolts while supporting the assembly. Avoid touching the glass portion of the new bulb with bare fingers and make sure the replacement matches the original bulb type. Keep track of all fasteners and take pictures if needed to ensure correct reassembly steps later on. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical how-to content. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated while working on cars, and it's great for roadside jobs too. I've linked it in the description along with other deals and parts references you might need. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Seat the new bulb into the socket, aligning any locating tabs, and ensuring a snug fit without forcing parts. Reinstall clips or bolts to secure the bulb and reconnect the electrical connector, listening for the click that indicates a proper connection. Turn on the headlights to confirm proper function and beam alignment, making small adjustments if needed. Finally, reassemble any removed panels or covers, double-check fasteners, and clean the lens to ensure clear light output.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.